Who is eligible for a reverse mortgage? One of the strengths of the HECM program is that there are not overly restrictive requirements, often making these loans easier to qualify for than other financial products such as mortgage refinance, home equity loan, or home equity line of credit, also known as a HELOC. They are eligible for a reverse mortgage if they are 62 years of age or older. The home will be their primary residence. The house is a single family or 2 to 4 unit dwelling, an FHA approved condominium, or a manufactured home. The home they have must be in good condition prior to taking out the loan. They must meet with a HUD approved counselor before obtaining a reverse mortgage to determine if the product is suitable for their needs. The counseling sessions will help them understand how the loan works and different alternatives that are available to them. All prospective borrowers will need to undergo a financial assessment to make sure that they can afford to pay property taxes and homeowners insurance going forward. What are the HECM for home purchase process? Let's compare a reverse mortgage to a traditional refinance loan. Traditional refinance loans allow credit and income qualified homeowners to borrow money and require repayment in the form of monthly payments. With a reverse mortgage, there are minimal income or credit score qualifying restrictions, and payments may be made to them according to HUD guidelines. Purchasing a home with a reverse mortgage is very similar to purchasing a home with a conventional mortgage, except rather than determining the borrower funds needed at closing based solely on the purchase price, the minimum borrower funds needed at closing will be based on a factor of the borrower's age, current interest rates, and the lesser of the home's appraised value, purchase price, or FHA imposed national lending limit. Once an offer is accepted, the senior loan consultant will work with the seller or seller's agent to open escrow with a title or escrow agency familiar with reverse mortgages. Reverse mortgage appraisals, inspections, contingencies, documents, and closings are virtually the same as those with a conventional mortgage. Because of the HUD Required Independent Borrower Counseling, some reverse mortgage escrow periods may be slightly longer than those of a conventional mortgage, although this isn't always the case. What are the specific eligibility requirements? The basic eligibility requirements to purchase a home with HECM are: all title holders must be age 62 or over. The purchased home must be their primary residence. The purchased home must meet HUD's minimum property standards and be either a single-family residence, a residence in a 2 to 4 unit dwelling, a manufactured home, or an FHA approved condominium. The down payment must meet FHA guidelines. They must complete a HUD approved counseling session. What does it take to get pre-qualified? If the borrower has selected a home to purchase, they will need the following information: the borrower's names, the date of birth for all borrowers, the property address, purchase price, and amount of funds the borrower has available to bring to closing. What are the obligations during the loan? They must maintain the home as their primary residence, keep the home in good condition, maintain paying homeowners insurance, property taxes, and homeowner dues, continue to use the property for its intended zoned use. What are the items needed with a reverse mortgage purchase contract? First, a fully executed sales contract, executed by all parties, buyers, sellers, and realtors. Second, an FHA real estate certification, executed by all parties, buyers, sellers, and realtors. An FHA Amendatory Clause must be dated on the contract date and executed by all parties, the buyers, sellers, and realtors. A property condition disclosure, completed by the seller and generally acknowledged by buyers, and any inspections that are included in the contract must be provided to the lender.
Our vision is first and foremost to educate anyone and everyone who is sincerely interested in the well-being of seniors. We believe that every senior homeowner should have the opportunity to make an informed decision on a reverse mortgage. We achieve our vision through the commitment of education, outstanding service, and community involvement. Thank you. I am Dan Harder, Vice President of First Reverse Mortgage USA.